video, we will solve 10 short word problems step by step. Let's begin. Problem 1. A worker spends 1/4 of his salary on rent. If he spends $180 on rent, what is his total salary? 1/4 means 1 out of 4 equal parts. So total salary is 4 times 180. That gives $720. Problem 2. After a 20% discount, the price is $80. That means 80% of the original is $80. So the original is $100. Problem 3. A job starts at 9:45 in the morning and takes 2 hours 35 minutes. Add 2 hours to get 11:45. Add 35 minutes to reach 12:20 p.m. Problem 4. The ratio of men to women is 5:3. After 10 men leave, the ratio becomes 3:3. Let men be 5x and women be 3x. 5x minus 10 equals 3x. So x is 5, and men were 25. Problem 5. The average of 5 numbers is 20. One number is removed, and the new average is 18. The original total is 100. The new total is 72. The removed number is 28. Problem 6. 6 workers finish a job in 8 days. After 2 days, 2 workers leave. Total work is 48 worker days. Work done in 2 days is 12, so 36 remain. With 4 workers, that takes 9 more days. Problem 7. In a company, 60% are men and total workers are 150. Then 30 men leave. Men were 90, now 60. Total workers become 120. The new percentage is 50%. Problem 8. A vehicle goes 60 kilometers per hour and returns at 40. We need total distance over total time. 4 equal distances. Average speed is 2 times S1 times S2 over S1 plus S2. That gives 48 kilometers per hour. Problem 9. A product is sold for $240 with 20% profit. Selling price is 120% of cost. So the cost is $200. Problem 10. A tank is 1/2 full, then 40 liters are added, making it 70% full. 1/2 is 50%, so the increase is 20%. If 20% is 40 liters, total capacity is 200 liters. Great job! You now have quick, clear strategies for 10 common word problems.